Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on June 28, 2026. On June 28, 2026, we mentioned multiple possibilities in which one possibility has worked out, like the market has reached the range of around 4,138 and is in a rejection zone right now. So I'll make it very clear for you in very simple terms what is going to happen or what might happen in the coming days. First of all, let me tell you this, market is in an indecision stage right now. If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that this is a support line and this is a rejection line according to the retail traders. So here we have got one tap, two tap, and I don't think we'll get a three tap here because right now it is in a decent buy zone, I would say, which is the weekly buy zone. And this is my assumption. There are chances that market can come down also to the range of the weekly, like the monthly time frame of 3600. That technical possibilities are there. But in long term, I don't think that it will reach this area because it is taking multiple support from the range of 4000 and 3888 range. Now, in the weekly time frame, if we see, it's a trendline liquidity. We are getting multiple rejections in this liquidity zone, plus we have a midline support zone from the parallel channel, plus we have a weekly order block. And the candle of the weekly time frame has closed in bullish. That means what does it shows us? There are chances that market can turn bullish, but don't believe this 100%. If you go to the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame, sometimes there are chances that it might change also. So if the candle on the next week is opening here, because mostly it will be opening at 4175 itself. From there, even if it is taking a small rejection and all, maybe chances that market can go up. We can only confirm that it is turning bullish if a weekly time frame candle closes above the range of 4222 like this. Then we can consider that market is turning bullish. Until another candle is not closing above this range, we cannot consider in weekly time frame that it is bullish. Now, if you come to the daily time frame, as you can see, it has taken multiple support from the range of 4000 range and 3800 and maybe 86 range, and multiple sweeps are happening at this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiple sweeps are happening. That means it is taking a support. Now, it has reached a rejection zone in between 4135 and 4222, which was mentioned in this video before. This was a fair value gap and this is the order block. If you zoom in and see, you can see 4138. It is in the 4138, 4135 range right now. So what are the chances? In the daily time frame, market, if it is taking a small rejection also from the range of like 4120 or 4100 or 4111, this can go up. This is one possibility according to the daily time frame I am telling you. But at the same time, if you come to the 4 hours time frame, before that let me tell you, still 4122 range, if a candle is getting closed above this, we can consider that this is turning bullish, and from here this will act as a support zone, and from here market can go up to 4333 range. So this is one single possibility. Now, if you come to the 4 hours time frame, now you need to watch very closely. This is a weekly support zone. This is a daily rejection zone. This means 4111 to 3883. It's a support zone for gold. 4135 and 4222 is the rejection zone for gold. Now, while checking, I can see that there is a parallel channel which has been forming at this area. You can see that this is a retail channel, we can say. So as we all know that we respect both the smart money and the retailer as well. So here you can see we have received multiple rejections, 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 rejections. Here we have got 2 supports also. From this range, if the market is taking rejection according to the smart money concepts, 4135 and 4202 as a rejection zone, if the market is taking any kind of rejection from here, then definitely there are chances that market would come down. If the market is coming down, you need to understand 4113 range to 4077 or 4090 range will act as a support, because there is a midline liquidity. You can see this is called the midline liquidity, or it's also a trend line. From here, there are chances that market can go up. Still, this is a rejection zone, and if this proper support is not working out, then there are chances that market can fall like this and come down to the next support zone of maybe 4000 or something like this. So if the market is coming here, what can we do? It is lucky for the members who have taken sell entries. You can close all your sell entries over here, because if the market is coming like this, but if the market is going above the 4222 range and closing above, then we need to sacrifice all our sells and we need to go for buy from 4222 to 4333. As you know, the market scenarios keep on changing. I'll be updating, and my team will be updating in the group what can be the possibilities in the coming days. So according to this, what are you able to understand? One, market is in a highly indecision stage. Indecision means we can make predictions, but we are not sure what is going to happen in the coming days. It's a very crucial zone for gold. And as I told in the last week also, if the market is going below 3941 and taking a good sweep, it's good for gold. As if it is taking a sweep, then we can consider that market will take a huge momentum and can go, maybe if it is coming like this, it can go like this to the range of, initially to the range of 4600 something, and after that it can go up to the range of 5000 range. So this is possible. This is possible. At the same time, this rejection decides what is going to happen next. If the rejection from here is happening properly, first zone I told you 4100, and if it is coming down here, then again it should take a support to go back to the range of 5000. Anything can happen in the coming days. Also, we need to calculate how many months market has been bearish. For the past 6 months or maybe more than that, market has been bearish. Let's just look at the date range from here to like maybe from January to July, market has been bearish. It is around the time frame is like 22 bars, or like you can see the how many days, 154 days market is bearish. And if the market is turning bullish within the coming, so this is my calculation, within the coming 154 days, market should reach minimum to the range of 5000. If everything goes well, we need to wait for the next week also, my dear friends. It's not the time to panic, it's the time to take wise decisions. Sometimes we'll have to close some of our sell trades or something in profit or in break even, or sometimes in losses also. The trades that we are closing in losses, that can be regained in the coming days trades as well. Overall, I can see that by the screenshots, most of the members are in profit, but the people who have hedged their accounts is the people who are in confusion, because they don't know what to do, to go for a buy or go for a sell. For that, we'll have to wait for one more week. We need to wait for the market to open, and we need to see if the market is coming down or going up. Two chances. I'll simply draw it here. One, like this, market can go up to the range of 4325, or else from here market can take a rejection and come to the 4000 range again. Both of these possibilities are there. We need to wait and see what is going to happen next. Whatever is the update in the market, I'll be just sending audio clips and daily analysis videos in the group, so that you can be aware of what is happening. So looking into the news for the coming week, on Monday, July 6th, there are no much news. We can say there are high impact news, but I don't think it will affect gold. On July 8th, there is a FOMC meeting. So this is a very crucial. And Thursday, July 9, we have initial jobless claim. It's a very high impact news. So we need to be careful on Thursday. On Friday, it is okay. It's not a big deal. So on Wednesday and Thursday, we have news. We need to be careful and watch closely what is happening in the gold. Simply do not enter the trades. Always wait for a sharp movement in order to place a sell entry or buy entry. And moreover that, Our aim is to protect our capital and earn standard amount of profits. And our aim is not to take overtrade or risk trade and to lose our account. So keep this in mind, my dear friends, and trade safe. Thank you so much.